gun you have now?
Yes, sir.
Did you shoot him for me?
No.
Oh my goodness. What the hell is that?
Let's see.
I don't want to see. Hey, hit. Oh man. You're gonna pay for my BBs.
Oh, here, y'all.
Yeah.
I forgot I wasn't using my knife. I'm sorry. You know what? Since you're such a nice guy,
Uh-huh.
I'll even put gas in it for you.
Oh yeah. Oh no, the game started.
Every time. Hi, bro. Why don't you not?
Hey, I thingy. Wait, the zip.
Why'd you
Yeah.
take it back?
Because I know they'll tell me something.
Why'd you take it back? Why'd you grab it before I zipped it?
I don't know, dude. Got him.
Ready?
Sorry. No, my mag. Ah, fuck. No. What? Was it you that hit me? Was it really you?
Oh, he's fading, right? Yeah, we'll I use you as my shield. Your team's gonna.
Oh, imagine. I saw a kid do that.
Really?
Yeah, it was like a while back.
Use you as a shield.
Funny. Bro, I was so locked in, and then my mag fell out. So I was like, oh my god. So that totally tripped me out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Bama. I'm putting the other one. I'm like, fuck, I need it.
What that shit do? 50?
Are we reloading?
I don't know. Dude ran over the shoot.
Oh, no, it's not.
In the head.
Yeah? That's airsoft for you.
Welcome to Let's go. Oh, he's right there. Is there another round?
Yep. Next round, reload.
Yo.
It's dead? It's still alive, kinda. Nah. You are very close though. Very, very close. Hit. Fuck. I hate flag today. Oh my fuck.
Are you lefty?
No.
No?
Righty. Are you lefty?
No.
Oh, why I do that, bro? I fogged up my goggles, man. Thank you. Are we reloading? Bro.
Someone's not doing it.
Hey, nah, it's beautiful. The gun. I can't lie though. I was just looking at it. You just bought it?
I bought it a couple days ago. This is my first time playing with it.
Yeah, our homie builds guns and he ended up buying a pistol for the first time.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Really nice.
We brought him to the dark side. Yeah. Damn, I just realized I've never had this long.
Ew, you have a Glock. Get out of here.
High cap is only.
Hey, if it was a Terran tactical, you guys would.
1911's only.
Yeah, 1911 only. I'm just playing. I got Glock 18.
Hell yeah. The full auto one? Nice.
Brrrah. Ooh, red. Yeah! Hey! Is that blue? I think we got the whole field. Do you have to switch? Oh. All right. Wrong side.
Fuck all that.
Guess who just switched teams?
That's a sick ass patch, bro.
Thank you. Eddie Valorant give it to me. Eddie Valiant.
No way.
Yeah.
Fire.
Oh my.
That was his personal or backup?
I don't know who just gave it to me. In the Santa video. I took a picture with him.
I'm sure we have the YN on our team.
My friend said there's glue.
Yeah?
Inside of the
There's glue?
There's glue.
What the hell?
Fucking someone splooged inside of it and I can barely see it.
What the?
And I'm playing on full force. I'm so good.
I love full force.
I've never played full force.
Actually,
I'm scared.
it's okay. You will live through it.
Last time I played was during the summer event.
Summer?
Yeah, that was the last time I played.
Ah. Sick, sick, sick.